Hello everyone, and welcome to today's quick tech tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of your iPhone to something Personalize. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app, which has a gray gear icon. Tap on it to access your device's settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. This section contains key options for your iPhone's system settings. In the General menu, select About at the top. Here, you'll see details like your iPhone's model and software version. Tap on Name, which shows your current device name. Now, type in your desired name. For example, I'll change mine to Orion's iPhone for a personal touch. Once you're happy with the name, tap down on the keyboard. That's it. Your iPhone's name is now updated. You can check the About page to confirm it's changed to Orion's iPhone or your chosen name. A custom name helps identify your device on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Thanks for watching this quick guide. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. See you next time.